Welcome to this demonstration of intelligent solutions for insurance agency management from Microsoft. Microsoft is helping insurance companies redefine how they do business by empowering them to engage more effectively with agencies, gain insights on agent performance, and leverage AI to improve all interactions. Greg Winston is an independent insurance agent at the Van Arsdale Insurance Agency who is looking for information about flood insurance offerings from Contoso Insurance. Greg visits Contoso's self-service portal where he can get the help he needs at any time of day or night. He opens the virtual agent to have a chat. Built on the Microsoft Bot framework, the virtual agent provides a natural interaction without the wait, while ensuring that issues can be escalated to a human if needed. Because Greg is already authenticated in the portal, the virtual agent recognizes him. It greets him by name and asks which customer policy his question is regarding. Greg provides the policy number, and the virtual agent confirms the details with him. The virtual agent provides the link to a knowledge base article about flood insurance coverage for Greg to review. Greg returns to the chat and explains that this policyholder lives in a town not covered by the National Flood Insurance Program, and he asks what other options are available. Recognizing the complicated nature of the request, the virtual agent creates a case, assigns an underwriter to review it, and asks Greg to confirm the best number to reach him. When the chat is finished, Greg is presented with a satisfaction survey. He rates his experience as excellent and leaves with a positive impression of his overall experience with Contoso. Joe Atkins is a territory manager with Contoso Insurance who uses intelligent solutions for insurance agency management from Microsoft to review agency performance in her region. Joe's job performance is measured by the success of the agencies she manages. The Territory Dashboard in Dynamics 365 provides a snapshot view of her agency's performance. On the left, in the Relationship Assistant pane, she can see system-generated alerts about new agency activity. On the right, she can see her agency development pipeline and top 5 agencies. Down below, she can see a list of the agencies in the lead stage of development, along with AI-generated performance predictions for each, based on current and historical data. Through the power of Microsoft AI Service Insights, the system has detected a high-volume topic. A large number of inquiries about flood insurance are coming from Van Arsdale Insurance Agency. Here in the agency record, Joe can see the agency's relationship status with her company and high-level details. She can also see a timeline of recent activity and a list of leads that Contoso has passed along. Joe can switch tabs to get a complete view of the agency's performance, including overall loss ratio and overall policy goals. She can even see policy goals broken out by net new and renewal policies. Because this is a strong-performing agency with a solid relationship, Joe decides to set up a training meeting at Van Arsdale to explain flood insurance options. In the meantime, Joe returns to her territory dashboard and drills into the Relationship Assistant case alert about flood insurance that was generated by the virtual agent. Joe reviews the case details, including the customer's information and a timeline of related activities. These activities include the assignment of an underwriter and a transcript of the virtual agent interaction. From here, Joe also has access to a collection of case-related knowledge base articles, including information about the National Flood Insurance Program and products Contoso offers outside of that program, which will help her prepare for the upcoming training meeting. To make the most of her trip, Joe takes a look at Market Insights, which uses reports driven by Power BI to see if she should meet with any other agencies after visiting Van Arsdale. She notices that one of the markets covered by the agency is severely underperforming in terms of market share, and she drills down to take a look. Of the 3 agencies covering this market, she sees that one of them, Litware, has an extremely high loss ratio. She also notices that one of her highly rated lead agencies, Fabricam, also covers this market, so she makes an appointment to discuss expanding their relationship and possibly replacing the struggling Litware agency. On the way to visit Van Arsdale, Joe uses her Surface device to review her day's appointments and check the performance of her agencies. She can review insights about the agency's performance over time, upcoming renewals, and recent activities and transactions, so she's well prepared for the meeting. After meeting with the agency, Joe can quickly record what was discussed by using a pre-built form And she can add important notes, such as to follow up with any new hires to ensure they're up to speed on flood insurance options as well. As you've just seen, Microsoft is helping insurance companies redefine how they do business by empowering them to engage more effectively with agencies, gain insights on agent performance, and leverage AI to improve all interactions. For more information, please contact your Microsoft representative or visit our website.